Welcome to this RNN Library Service tutorial introducing Advanced Search and some of the other features our new Library Search Online catalogue offers. This tutorial will cover how to use Advanced Search, how to use filters to refine searches and get better results, how to browse the shelf virtually, and how to create lists and folders with the searches you have completed. All of which should help you to find the resources and information you need more effectively. To use Advanced Search effectively, it's advisable to log into your account first and then select Advanced Search from the top left-hand corner. This will present you with a screen that has multiple different options for searching and refining your search. At the top you have 3 rows of fields or search bars to type your key terms in, along with some drop-downs, and these will help you to use the words, titles or authors you are using in your search to get the most appropriate and helpful resources. Lots of the searches you perform provide lists of resources that are too long or too short. So selecting certain linking words and combining search terms helps to both broaden and narrow your search depending on what you need. For example, you can narrow down your search by adding in search terms that use the word "and" to link them together. Let's take the word education and higher education. If you use "and", this will bring back resources that have both these terms in. You can also exclude a certain term by using "not", and this would help to refine the search so you wouldn't have to look at resources that might not be helpful. You can also use "or" to return a list of resources that contain one or more of your searches, so education or higher education will return as many relevant resources as possible. You will notice that there are other options beside keyword that you can search for. You may know the name of an author in the subject area, which you could combine with a search term, for example, learning theories and Bates. As you will see from the drop-down, there are many different options to try. Plus, you can add extra rows and use different combinations. Further down the page, you will see you are able to select the type of resource you want to search for. A shelving location, which means the area in the library the resource is shelved, and a specific collection, if that is relevant. If you have a specific date range you want to search for example you want information about electric cars published in the last 3 years, you can add that here. You can select the language you require the resources to be in, the library you want to look in, and the way the results are displayed. Another helpful feature of the library catalogue is the way you can apply filters to help you narrow down your search to find exactly what you want. Firstly, when you go to perform a search, you will see a drop-down on the left saying catalogue, and this searches the whole catalogue for the term, so it looks for all the resources across all the sites tagged with that word, possibly in the title or as a keyword. You can, however, select to search for something such as the title, the author, or the class number. On the right drop-down, it will let you narrow down your search to a specific library. Choose your options, type in your search, and click Go. This general search has brought back a lot of results. So down the left-hand side, you will see some links or filters to click on to refine that search. These include the option to choose resources that are available, so those that are not on loan. You can look for a particular author. You can also look for the period you can take the book out for example a long loan or a short loan. You can also look at the library that is housed in. As you click on the options, you can see the number of results get smaller to help you get to what you need quicker. You can continue to apply filters until you find what you need. and then on the right you have the option to choose how the results will appear. Clicking on a result that interests you will take you to the record or further information about that resource. You can read a summary and you can also browse the shelf virtually. This will show you all the resources that can be found near it on the same shelf, and so will cover the same or similar topics, and they might be of interest to you. You can add a resource to your cart or folder if you want to look for it and need the details, or you'd like to request it later on. You can also save it to a list. If you click on this, it brings up a pop-up. Select either an existing list or create a new one, and then you'll be able to go back to it and find the resource later. Please note, items will only stay in your folder or cart during this session. So if you want to find the resource again later, after you've logged out, you'll need to save it to your lists. We hope you have found this tutorial useful, and you can now use some of the features on the screen to support your search and get to the right resources. For further information, watch our other tutorials and visit the links on the screen. Thanks for watching.